Alright, today's lesson is going to be about repeating decimals. We're going to start with an easy one here. Decimal, 4 repeating. Remember, bar notation means, this really means 0.44444. The 4 just keeps on going forever. And so we need a way to change that to a fraction. And it's possible because 0.4 is a rational number. Now don't write this next part at the very top of your page. Leave a little bit space. I'm doing this on purpose. I'm going to write x equals, I'm going to write the decimal that we're trying to change. So it's 0.4, and I'm going to, instead of using bar notation, I'm just going to write a bunch of 4s. Let's write 6 4s and we'll put some dots. And I forgot to mention this, you should be copying this in box 2. So make sure you copy this all down in box 2. Alright, and what I'm going to do is multiply both sides of this equation by 10. So 10 times x is what? It's 10x, of course. So I'm going to write 10x. Alright. And now I'm going to multiply the other side by 10. You should know the trick for multiplying by 10 is moving the decimal over once. So 0.44444444 times 10 is 4.4444444. Now you may not understand this all at first. Just make sure you copy it down. Of course, pause it if you need to get some stuff down. Now the next step here is subtracting. And I'm going to subtract. Now remember, we always say there's a 1 in front of that x here. So 10 minus 1x is 9x. Okay? And now I'm going to subtract here. Now, remember, this is 0.4444, I guess this is. So 4 minus 0 is 4. When I subtract this, 4 minus 4 is going to cancel out. All of these will cancel out. And we're left with 9x equals 4. So I'm going to divide both sides by 9 in this equation, because we had 9x equals 4. Divide both sides by 9. These cancel. And we get x equals 4/9. So again, what we just did is we changed 0.4 repeating this decimal to a fraction, and it's equal to 4/9. This is a very long way to do this. There's an easier way I'm going to show you in a few minutes, but they want you to understand the long way too. So make sure you get this all down, pause it and rewind it if you need to. We're going to do one more like this before we move on.